Hi, welcome to the Gerry Lynch show. Today, this is the flooded train track after all the rain, so I'm going to show you guys what the train track looks like. Oh, this is one part of it. What up, Steve? Hey. Holy crap. And I go from talking. Jeez. Let's do a video. Holy moly. The train track. Huh? Holy crap. Whoa. Whoa! See what the river is like now, guys. We'll get a better video going back. Holy crap. Excuse me for the bumps. Oh, guys, I ain't going through that. Oh, hell no. Guys, give me a second. Alright. Now, go through that. Yeah, right here, turn around. Holy moly, that current is strong. You take notice, every time I go try to do a video, there's always someone trying to interrupt. Yep. There's always someone in the goddamn way. Holy moly, now you guys can see it. Look at that. That train track, see guys? About the bumps, but that's all I can do on that bike. Even the high part of the track is underwater right here. coming down from there, look. Coming down from that cliff. Ooh, I guess that's a rock they couldn't move. So they spray painting so no one wouldn't run into it at night time. Guys, look at the size of that cliff. Holy moly. That's a big mountain. Go up here, up here. What's the dirt bags? What they're doing? Throwing their old garbage back here. Road there, see? That's main road over there. That's the one in Cold Pond Road down there. We're above the main road, the side road. We're above that. See, right there. That's where you pull us out to go out on the main road. It looks like there's a bike after trying to go down there. Going through that. Guys, what the bikes got done? Bikes got everything tore to shit. That's something I don't do is go through mud. Take care of me bike. Lasts longer anyway when you take care of it. But you know what that is? That's youngsters. Don't give a shit. They're bringing home, Dad, there's something wrong with the bike. They gotta spend hundreds of dollars to fix it. Now, see what the river's like right here. Holy crap. Back up, guys. We can back up here. Holy moly. See, this is why there's so much water running. There's two rivers running in that pond. Well, okay guys, we're going to turn around. Alright, we're going to turn around here now, and I'm going to put you guys on pause and show you guys the second river running into this pond. the second river running into that pond. This is the second river running into that pond there now. And this is the other side over here. That's why that pond is so high. But, oh my God, I just noticed that. It's even the river running in there. Alright guys, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. I hope you enjoyed that video. Bye everybody.